In this tutorial, we'll look at some of the author tools in Celframe Office Write. The first thing we'll look at in author's tool is show on the map. Before you click on show on the map, type a city or a street name or a postcode. Once you type it, just highlight it, go to your author tools and click on show on the map. What show on the map does is it allows you to select a city, a street name or a postcode and map it using Google Maps. So once you have typed the city, highlight it and click on show on the map, as you can see Sydney appears and you can see all the streets in Sydney itself. So all you have to do is click on show on the map and you can see that Google Maps will pop up, and you can see that in Google Map it shows you where Sydney is and the streets in Sydney itself. Next thing that we'll look at in author tools is email backup. Email backup is used to quickly send a backup copy of the currently open document that you have to a specified email address. Just click on email backup and you can see that the option is given to you to put in an email address. So just put in your email address and click on OK. Once I click on OK, a small box will appear and it will say that the document has been sent. So that's how you do an email backup. The other way you can back up your document is through multi-format backup. Multi-format backup has a macro that saves the currently open document in either Word, RTF, and even text formats. The backup files are basically stored in a separate folder with a date stamp. There's an option for you to use the 7-zip compression tool if you want to. So once you click on the author tools, you can click on multi-format backup. It will say that the document has been saved. So what you have to do is just click on OK. Next we will see is remote backup. Remote backup allows you to quickly save a backup copy of the current document on an FTP server. So you just click on remote backup. You can enter the FTP server address and click on OK. And your document will be saved. What next we will see in author's tool is wikify word. Wikify word tool basically links a selected word or a text fragment in your current document to another write document which is created. For example, just say I highlight Celframe and I click on wikify word. You can see that the word Celframe that is selected, the macro in it automatically links it to the other document in Celframe Office Write. That's the main use of wikify word. Now we will look at is the start and stop timer. The start and stop timer can be used to keep tabs on the time spent on the currently open document that you're doing. And basically this start and stop time will allow you to save the time data, for instance the document name, used time and data. So just click on start timer. If you want to start timer session, it'll ask you and just click yes. So all you have to do is keep type your document. So when you're going to stop, just click on stop timer. It'll ask you whether you want to currently end the timer session. Just click on yes. And it'll tell you the elapsed time is 1 minute and 37 seconds. Started at what time, ended at what time. Then just click on OK. And it'll ask you whether you would like to save the session data. All you have to do is choose whether you want to yes or no. Just click on yes. You want to save it, and your data will be saved for a reference later on. If you click on yes, it tells you the document name, used time, the word count, and the date which you did it. If you want to put a note for your start and stop timer, you can put, and if you want to put a publisher name, you can put a publisher name. And once you have done with this, click on save, and it'll tell you that the session data has been saved. So in this tutorial, you looked at how to use show on the map, email backup, multi-format backup, remote backup, wikify Word, how to use the start and stop timer.